Once again, welcome to Matulungan in the World of Mathematics with Teacher Joseph. Today, I am going to discuss about the mean, median, and mode for ungrouped data. Mean, median, and mode are three kinds of averages. There are many averages in statistics, but these are, I think, the three most common and are certainly the three you are most likely to encounter in your pre-statistics courses if the topic comes up at all. So we are going to talk about the mean first. So what do you mean by mean? The mean is the average you are used to, where you add up all the numbers and then divide by the number of numbers. So this time, we are going to follow this formula. The x bar is equal to summation of x over n. So what do you mean by that? So the summation of x, or the sigma x, it is the sum of the measurements or the value of an observation. And the second one, which is letter n, is the number of measurements or the total number of observations. And this symbol we can read as x bar. And this is what we call the mean. So example number 1. Mean. Table 3-1 includes count of chocolate chips in different cookies. Now, find the mean of the first 5 counts of Chips Ahoy regular cookies. So we have here 22 chips, 22 chips, 26 chips, 24 chips, and 23 chips. So how are we going to do that? So this is my solution. First, add the data values and then divide by the number of data values. So I repeat, add the data values, then divide by the number of data values. So here are the numbers. 22 here, plus 22, plus 26, plus 24, plus 23, divided by 5. So once you are going to do that, the first thing that you are going to do is add. So 22 plus 22 plus 26 plus 24 plus 23 is equal to 117 divided by 5. So now the answer is 23.4. Once you are going to divide 117 divided by 5, the answer is 23.4. So this will be our mean, 23.4 chips. Now, the second one is a median. What do you mean by median? The median is the middle value in the list numbers. To find the median, your numbers have been listed in numerical order from smallest to largest. So, you may have to rewrite your list before you can find the median. So, here is the formula. Median formula, n plus 1 divided by 2. So let's study this one first. Median, first arrange the observations in ascending order. If the number of observations n is odd, the median is the value at position. And then if the number of observations n is even, the first one is find the value at the position. So we can use n over 2 or n divided by 2. The second one is find the value at position, n plus 1 divided by 2. And the next one, the last step, is you're going to find the average of the two values to get the median. So this is the example. So the first one, the given is 5, 13, 9, 7, 1, 9, 2, 9, and 11. So, like what I said a while ago, to find the median, your numbers have been listed in numerical order from smallest to largest. So we are going to put it in ascending order or in increasing order. So here are the numbers: 1, 2, 5, 7, 9, 9, 9, 11, and 13. So that is a new number already. So now, how are you going to find the median or the middle value? As you can see, the answer here is 9 as a median or a middle value. So how are we going to do that? So look at this one. The first one, the second one is 13. 2 is the second. 11 is the second from the last. 5 is the third. And 9 is the third from the last. Is 7 and 9 is the last from the second part. So that's why the median is 9. So how are you going to do that? Like what I said, if it is even number, you are going to add plus 1 divided by 2. So since this is odd number, so you are going to copy only the median. So that's why the answer is 9. Now, another example. 1, 3, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9 is already written in ascending form. So here the median is 6. Why? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is the number of observations, the total number of observations, and 7 is odd number. Okay, that's why you are not going to add it anymore, and then instead you're going to write it only. Now the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 9. So here are the numbers for the second one. So now the first one is 1, and the first to the last is 9. The second is 2. Second to the last is 8. The third is 3. And 6 is third to the last. So as you can see, there's 2 more number. Okay? So all you need to do is to add it and divide it by 2 to get the median. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Divided by 2 is 4.5. So that's why your median is 4.5. Okay, so now let us talk about the third one, which is the mode. So what do you mean by mode? The mode is often said to be that value in a series which occurs most frequently or which has the greatest frequency. So there's an example here. Find the mode of the following series: 8, 9, 11, 15, 16, 12, 15, 3, 7, and 15. There are 10 observations in the series. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is arrange in order. So that's why we have 3, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 15, 15, 15, and 16. I repeat, there are 10 observations in the series. So wherein the figure 15 occurs maximum number of 3 times. Okay, as you can see, we have 3 15 here. So therefore, the mode is 15. Okay. Now let us combine all together. So and then we are going to use only one given here. So we have numbers 4, 1, 3, 5, 3, 2, and 3. So how many total values of observations? We have 7 only. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 is the total number of observations. So we're going to divide it by 7. So 4 plus 1, let us add this one. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 5 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 plus 2 is 18. And 18 plus 3 is 21. So 21 divided by 7 is 3. Okay, so that's why our mean is 3. Now, how about the median? So the first thing that you are going to do again is you are going to arrange it in ascending order. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so this one is already written in ascending form or ascending order. So now, since 7 is odd numbers, mean to say you are going to write only the middle number of the sets of or the series. So we have 1, 2, 3, first three numbers, and then if we're going to make it to the last number, 1, 2, 3. So this one is a middle number. So 3 is the middle value. So that's why your median is 3. Now how about the mode? Okay, the mode is 3. Okay, why? Because the value that appears most often is 3. How many 3 we have here? So we have 3 threes in this series. That's why our answer is 3. Okay, so if no number in the list is repeated, then there is no mode for the list. Okay, so kids, hope you learned from today's lesson and see you on my next video. Thank you.